Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently cancel your FreshBooks account. So this is going to become particularly useful in case maybe you're switching accounting softwares, maybe going from FreshBooks to QuickBooks. But for whatever reason, make sure to follow this simple and step-by-step guide on how to cancel or permanently cancel your FreshBooks account. So what we're first going to do is go on to our FreshBooks account, which looks like this right here. Now on the upper right-hand side, you want to click on your profile image or name, and then click on billing and upgrade. Now, once you hit on billing and upgrade, what you want to do is actually scroll all the way down where it says cancel your account. So they do kind of make it very hidden for you to cancel your account. Another way to actually do it is that you can actually just click on Command F and then look for the word cancel, and there it is. Okay, cancel your account. So next, click on cancel your account. And then here, you're just going to follow a series of prompts that allows you to actually cancel your account. So a lot of these prompts are just verifications or kind of confirmations that are you sure you want to cancel your FreshBooks account. So if you click on continue, you'll click on checkmark. I understand I'll lose account access immediately, and then click on continue. So I'm not actually going to cancel my FreshBooks account just because I still need it. But that is essentially how you cancel your FreshBooks account. But if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.